Hey guys, it's Jess. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here and you maybe don't know, I am a junior at the University of Texas and this is my dorm room. I'm going to be doing a little dorm room tour for you today. I've actually lived in this room for 2 years because I've been an RA at my dorm for 2 years, but this is my last week in it. I wanted to show this again because since my last tour, I know I've changed a lot of little things and I honestly love how the room looks now. I'm really proud of it. It feels like home. It's very cozy and happy to me. So I figured going into the summer I wanted to share some inspo with y'all, and I also wanted to document this for me. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna show you the room now. So here's an overview of the room. When you first walk in, you see the huge window. I love it so much. And then you've got my chair, my bed, bookshelf. Part of what I'm obsessed with is all the little fun wall art things I have. And so if you've seen one of my room tours before, you may have seen before I had my desk in this corner at an angle, and I also did not have a refrigerator, so that's a bit different. But I'm gonna start over here at my desk. I just turned the lamp on now, but my desk is actually my own furniture. Where I live, we're allowed to trade out the dorm furniture with our own. So this desk came from Home Depot 3 years ago, but I know I've seen similar things on Amazon and Walmart. This desk right now is so clean. I cleaned it just for y'all. And I really just wanted to show y'all all the things around my desk because I don't know, everything here is really sentimental. I know I'm gonna get comments about the girl boss thing too. This is from a couple years ago from a Secret Santa, and it's, I don't know, just a sentimental thing. What I love about this though is I have pictures of my friends and family, and then all of the art I have over here is a gift from someone. So my good friend Adri painted this for me, and then my friend Ashley hand embroidered this. Isn't that so gorgeous? And then one of my friends from high school made that. I also got this y'all pennant as a gift, which it's so funny. I don't know, it's very me, very on brand if you know me, but yeah. Then I just have over here, I have my kind of vision board, mood board situation. This is my good news wand from my friend Sarah, so if you know, you know. And if you don't, I guess that's a story for another day. But yeah, I just have lots of things around my desk that keep me inspired, and so much of my life I feel like this year has been just sitting at this one corner of my room, so I had to make it happy. Then I just have just a regular office chair. I took it from home, and so nothing special about that. But I do have a pink throw on here just to kind of make it more comfortable. Also a little more cute, you know. You may notice a reoccurring theme throughout the room that I just sometimes have little squirrels. These are from my mom. It's little salt and pepper shakers, and they're just a good fun time. So then moving across the room, this year I do have a fridge. It seemed pretty essential with COVID, and knowing I pretty much eat in my room most of the time, or I eat outside with my friends, and so sometimes I also keep stuff in my fridge, and I have my Brita in there, but it is really nice to have a refrigerator. And then actually just at Christmas, I got this Keurig. I will say honestly, a big reason I wanted it was because it is pink and it matches my room, but I do like to use it for hot water because I'm not really a coffee drinker, but you know, from time to time I want some tea. My one of my friends last week when I got the COVID shot, she brought me these tea packets, and I really like that green tea. And then I kind of just have this set up as a little to-go station with all my tumblers, my glasses. I thought this was adorable. I love the middle straw. This is my Yeti. And I have my silverware there, so if I need to grab something on the go, it's just all right there. And so, yeah, that's my little fridge station. Above here, I recently moved these two canvases. You may recognize them. They're both, I want to say from either Ross or TJ Maxx, but the one on the right I got just this year from Hobby Lobby, and I just thought she was so cute. I want this to be my vibe. I just love that. So I put these together because I really liked their colors together. I like for my room to just be bright and happy pink. That's kind of what I think of when I'm decorating. My bedding is also something I've had for a little while. It is the comforter from Walmart, and then the pillows are just a random assortment from TJ Maxx and Ross. Over here on my shelves, I've got more just happy sentimental things. Anything cacti, pink, gold, that's kind of what I looked for when I was shopping. And a lot of these things I have because I've had them over the years. I have pictures of my friends here and fake plants because then I don't have to worry about keeping them alive. Then I have the iconic pink cowgirl hat. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you may not know what I'm talking about, but if you do, you may have seen that in 2020 especially, I posted a ton of pictures wearing this hat. And I recently added, this is a big thing, y'all, I recently got this cow print cowgirl hat, new hat for the collection, and so this will probably be on the gram soon. So if you don't already follow me on Instagram, be sure to check it out over there. One of my favorite things about this room is the gorgeous like natural light at this time of day. So I do have the lights on, but like, y'all look at the shadows. So now I'm gonna show y'all my little bookshelf nightstand situation over here. So I like everyone else, watch the TikToks about like what to bring to college and what not to bring, and I've seen a lot of TikToks saying don't bring books to college. And this is a hot take, but I would say if you're a reader, of course bring books to college. If you're not a reader, I wouldn't expect to just become one when you come to college, but over COVID, like say July, August, I became an avid reader again. I just love reading, so I gradually like brought more and more books here, and so I just have like half of my Rick Riordan book collection here, so I'll show you some of that. I have a lamp here, you know, because at night when I get in bed I use that, but then I have this drawer, and this is where I keep like my glasses, pillow mist, charger, lots of just like random things I might reach for in the middle of the night. Then with my books here, we've got like my Bible, journals, books I'm reading. So I started this summer with Percy Jackson. I reread all of those, and then I've been reading like all of his books. I have not finished this one, but other than that, like I have read all these this year, which blows my mind. So this is my view. I have a lovely view of the pool. And when the sun sets, I can see the sunset like over the roof over there. I really love that. And yeah, so that's that. But over here, I don't know, I love to decorate in every inch of the room if you can't tell, but right here I picked this out because the verse from Esther, I just really like it a lot. And then more fake plants and a rock I painted. And then right here I have my sound machine hiding. I don't use it all the time, but when I do, I just kind of have it hidden there. And yeah, sometimes I just like some white noise. My sound of choice is falling rain. Then over here, this unicorn was from one of my friends. I just think it's so cute, and I thought those paired well together. I love these drapes so much. They're from TJ Maxx as well. If you can't tell, I do a lot of back to school shopping there. So this pretty much is like my reading chair. This is also the chair when friends come over. They love to come sit and hang out in there. I got it from Target a few years back, so not sure if they have the same thing, but I think Target, Walmart tend to sell like similar butterfly chairs every year. And I also just have this pink throw with it in case you want to get cozy here. Then I just have right down here this little stool. Didn't need it when I bought it, but I use it as a tiny table. A lot of times I'll leave my iPad there too, leave some books, journals, whatever I just want to have handy there. You can kind of get a preview of this too from the angle I've been standing, but this is my rug. I believe it's from Ross. I was inspired by the rug my roommate got his freshman year that was like a big Laura Ashley rug, but this one's a little bit smaller. I just love for things to be super cozy in here. I also love like just to sit on the floor, or sometimes my friends come over and will study in my room, and so this is like having a good rug for the room is a definite, like, it's essential for me. Something fun about this room is there's just this shelf above the whole like side of the room, so I use this really as a place to like, you know, display like sweet motivational things and just like things that make me happy. I also have Christmas lights up, but unfortunately they did burn out recently, so I'll be buying new ones next year, but for now I just have them hanging. Also this garland, I want to say is from Target, but it was a gift and I just felt like it really matched my style too. So these are my closet doors. Trust that they're closets, and I'm not going to open them because my closet is not as organized as it was in the past. So over here, iconic, this is my disco ball from my friend Sarah. This is the most important thing in the whole room. I love it. This is the mood. It is my favorite thing ever. I just recently got it, but I don't know how I lived in this room without it. So then as we keep going, this is just my built-in dresser. So lots of great storage. And then this is my TV. This has low-key saved me this year. I really enjoy watching TV like on an actual TV. I know we all watch stuff on our laptops now, but what I do, this is my life hack. If you can get an Amazon like Fire Stick TV thing, this remote will change your life. So what I'll do a lot of times is I'll like move the TV around, like I'll turn it at an angle. I may like sit in my bed, or sometimes I'll put all my cushions right here and sit and watch TV this way. But yeah, I don't know how common it is for people to have like a TV in their rooms. I'm not sure, like I never had a TV when I had a roommate, but I love to use this to watch Netflix or Amazon Prime, whatever show I'm like watching at the time. And we have another little squirrel moment going on here. It's adorable. And then we have, oh, I also have an Echo Dot. So you know, sometimes I'll have a good dance party. Most of the time I just ask her what the weather's like. And then finally when we come over here to this last section of my room, you can see everything that we've been talking about in the background. But this mirror is a medicine cabinet, so I've got stuff going on in there. And then in my shelves over here, I have these clear containers that I got at the dollar store. I wish I was more organized, but I kind of know what's in each of them, and so I just tend to keep like my makeup and basically toiletries that I use every day in this area. And so yeah, this is my sink. Got my cabinets down here. Then over here, I just have this little, I don't know what you call it, this little thing with hooks, but this is how you know it's a COVID year. I keep all my masks right here because anytime I'm not in my room, I have to be wearing a mask. And yeah, I used to have only jewelry on here, but times have changed and I was forgetting where I was putting them, so I just keep them all right here. So whenever I walk out the door, they're with me. Having a little unicorn moment. Good vibes though. Got trash and recycling, boring. You know, towels, and that's an overview of the room. Y'all got to see everything. And then one last thing, I can't remember if I mentioned or not, I use a lot of storage under my bed. I got my bed skirt from Walmart, but I'm sure you can get some from Amazon and plenty of other places. And so I have some like clear plastic drawers under the bed, and I store a lot down there. So y'all, that's just a tour of my room. I know it's a lot. Also, I know I'm like very, I don't know, not cluttery, but like I do have a lot of stuff, and that's partially because when you move in, you always like have more by the time you move out. But I've really like gotten to make this place a home. I have a lot of really good memories here. Lots of feels. I feel emotional about like moving out, but I know next year's gonna be good too. I already like picked out my new room, and so it's gonna be a good time, and I'll be showing y'all more content. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed this, please let me know in the comments below. Leave a thumbs up. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more content, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!